रिकॉर्ड डाल दिए। Good morning, students. मेरी आवाज सुन रहे हो आप लोग? Yes, so today, friends, I am going to start a means for a revision work. I am going to start a means having function group NH2. Yesterday, I have already discussed that the amines are the derivative of ammonia. Amines are derivative of ammonia and is formed by the replacement of H atom from ammonia and addition of alkyl group with it. NH3 ammonia minus H plus R gives RNH2, that is primary amine, 1 degree, minus H plus R, secondary amine, 2 degree, minus H plus R, R3N, that is called tertiary amine, TERT. Three degree. Dear students, like ammonia, nitrogen atoms of amines is trivalent and having a lone pair of electrons. Like ammonia, nitrogen atoms of amines is trivalent and having a lone pair of electrons having a lone pair of electrons. Nitrogen atom in amines, that is, you can say that sp3 hybridized that is sp3 hybridized and the shape will be pyramidal. This is the structure of ammonia. That is lone pair of electron and nitrogen atom is sp3 hybridized. Nitrogen atom is sp3 hybridized. This is the basic introduction of amines. Dear friends, you will find that in this case bond angle is 107.5 degree, slightly less than that of tetrahedral. टेट्राहेड्रल का होता है 109.28 मिनट्स, इसका होता है 107.5 डिग्री, slightly less than, because this is due to the repulsion between this lone pair as well as 3 bonded pair of electrons. So its bond angle is found to be 107.5 degree. Dear students, now I am going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of amines. IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature. In IUPAC nomenclature, E word is replaced from alkane and amine is added. Alkane minus E plus amine, that is alkanamine. For example, CH3NH2, CH2NH2, that is methenamine, ethenamine, like that. I am going to write the name of some compounds. You have to give the IUPAC name of that compound. CH3, CH3, CH3. What will be the IUPAC of this compound? What will be IUPAC of this compound?
N,N-dimethylmethenamine.
Again, repeat your answer.
N,N-dimethylmethenamine.
N डाइमिथाइल, इसी N से भी जुड़ा हुआ है, भी जुड़ा हुआ है. N, डाइमिथाइल मिथेनामीन. The IUPAC of this compound will be N dimethyl methenamine. Next one, NH2. What will the name of this compound? What will the name of this compound? Anybody else? Prop-2-ene 1-amine. Prop-2-ene 1-amine. Prop-2-ene 1-amine. Next one, NH2 group. NH2 group. What is the operation of this compound? Question number 3. CH2 whole 6 and NH2.
Hexane 1,6-diamine.
Hexane 1,6-diamine. Hexane or hex 1,6-diamine. So this is the basic rules for IUPAC nomenclature of amines group. Dear students, now I am going to discuss the different methods used for the preparation of amines and conversion. At first, amines are prepared by the reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds having function group NO2. So how nitroamines is converted into, nitro compounds is converted into amines, उसका मेथड देखिए मैं बता रहा हूं, डिफरेंट मेथड्स as well as conversion. कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट रीजनिंग क्वेश्चन इस चैप्टर में है, बच्चे ध्यान रखना है इस चीज को, जो हमेशा बोर्ड एग्जाम मुझको पूछता है, तैयार करना है उसको. Preparation of amines. First method used from nitro compounds. Nitro having function of NO2. Dear students, generally amines are prepared by a reduction of nitro compounds by passing hydrogen gas in presence of finally divided some metals like nickel, platinum or palladium. By passing hydrogen gas finally divided metals like nickel, PT or PD. Dear students, I have written here finally divided metals. What do you mean by the term finally divided? Finally divided means you can say that in powdered form, surface area of this metal increases, will increase the rate of reaction. In chapter chemical kinetics, we have already studied that a rate of reaction increases by increasing the surface area. So this is the main reason behind this. Nitro compound like nitrobenzene. This compound is called nitrobenzene. And this nitrobenzene is converted into corresponding amine by passing hydrogen gas in presence of nickel catalyst, in presence of ethanol. In presence of ethanol, it converted into aminobenzene. Or you can say that by reduction with metals in acidic medium, or by reduction with metals in acidic medium, आप SnHCl ले सकते हैं, यह भी कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा आपको एमिनोबेंजीन में, or also called aniline. So important conversion, students, you always keep in mind nitrobenzene to aniline. Conversion nitrobenzene to aniline. नाइट्रोबेंजीन टू एनिलीन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कन्वर्जन है, ध्यान रखना है इस चीज को. नेक्स्ट मेथड इज amylolysis of alkyl halides. By the process of amylolysis, by amylolysis of alkyl groups, by ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Dear students, here is a new process that is called ammonolysis. What do you mean by the term ammonolysis? Ammonolysis means you can say that the process of breaking of C-X bond by the action of ammonia molecule is called ammonolysis. The process of breaking of C-X bond The process of breaking of C-X bond by the action of ammonia molecule is called ammonolysis. This process is called ammonolysis. Dear students, generally primary amines obtained or behaves as a nucleophile, which I have already discussed in previous classes. NH3 when treated with Rx, it gives RNH3X, RNH3X. That is called substituted ammonium salt. That is called substituted ammonium salt. Dear students, when primary amine, that is RNH2, treated with alkyl halide, that is Rx, R2 NH is formed and minus HX. Again Rx, that is R3N, tertiary, primary, secondary and tertiary, and then Rx, R4NX, that is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, and this is called quaternary ammonium salt. R4NX is called quaternary ammonium salt. That is called quaternary ammonium salt. Dear students, primary amine, or you can say that this salt RNH3X, when treated with a strong base like NaOH, also primary amines is obtained. अगर इसके साथ हम ट्रीटमेंट कराते हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस लाइक अल्कली NaOH का, तो ये देगा हमको प्राइमरी अमीन. इसका रिएक्शन देखिए, मैं बता रहा हूं ऊपर. RNH3X treated with NaOH. At first, it gives primary amine. NaX plus H2O. So thus, primary amine is also obtained by the action of this substituted ammonium salt with alkali. Next one, by reduction of nitriles Nitriles, also called cyanide, CN group. Nitriles or cyanides get reduced in presence of powerful reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride, or by, you can say that, catalytic hydrogenation, that is addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst like nickel, platinum or palladium, then primary amines are obtained. प्राइमरी amines का तरीका भी है by reduction of nitriles, कह सकते हैं आप, by reduction of nitriles, that is CN group. RCN nitriles get reduced by catalytic hydrogenation, that is addition of hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst, gives primary amines. Or you can say that we can also use lithium aluminum hydride. लिथियम अल्युमिनियम हाइड्राइड भी ले सकते हैं, इसको बदलता है प्राइमरी एमीन्स में. एंड दिस मीन्स one thing you always keep your mind, that this reaction is used for ascent of amine series. This process is used for the ascent of ammonium series, amine series. What do you mean by the term ascent of amine series? Ascent means, you can say that preparation of amines containing one carbon atom more than the starting amine. स्टार्टिंग एमीन से एक कार्बन एटम ज्यादा बनेगा इसमें. दैट इज कॉल्ड एसेंट ऑफ एमीन सीरीज. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन. ऑल्सो यू कैन से दैट फॉर कन्वर्जन, दैट इज फ्रॉम नाइट्राइल्स टू एमीन. ध्यान रखना इसको. दिस रिएक्शन इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर कन्वर्जन, दैट इज फ्रॉम नाइट्राइल्स टू primary amines. From nitriles to primary amines भी हम इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Next process that I am going to discuss, that is preparation of primary amines by the reduction of amide. Amide having function group CONH2, that is called amide. CONH2. Next process is by a reduction of amides. Generally, amides, when get reduced by a strong reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum hydride, and followed by hydrolysis, primary amines is obtained. Amide RCONH2 get reduced by a strong reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride, followed by hydrolysis, and converted into corresponding primary amines. So amides को प्राइमरी एमीन्स में कन्वर्ट करने का बहुत अच्छा तरीका है. एमाइड्स टू एमीन्स, that is primary amine. Next process which I am going to discuss, that is called Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. इस सेक्शन को बालक ध्यान रखना जरा था, इंपॉर्टेंट है. गैब्रियल थैलिमाइड सिंथेसिस एंड नेक्स्ट होगा और बाय हॉफमैन ब्रोमामाइड डिग्रेडेशन रिएक्शन. ये दो मेथड बताना है और ये दोनों काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. गैब्रियल थैलिमाइड सिंथेसिस एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज हॉफमैन ब्रोमामाइड डिग्रेडेशन रिएक्शन. Gabriel Thalamide is used in the preparation of primary amines. Gabriel Thalamide synthesis for primary amines, you can say that. Dear friends, this is the formula for thalamide. This is the formula for thalamide. This thalamide is treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide to form potassium salt of thalamide. Treated with alcoholic KOH the product so formed, that is NK, which is called potassium salt of thalamide, which on heated with alkyl halides RX gives NR. Now N अल्काइल थैलिमाइड इसका नाम होगा. इस कंपाउंड का नाम होगा N अल्काइल थैलिमाइड. Understands? This thalamide is treated with alcoholic KOH to give potassium salt of thalamide. This potassium salt of thalamide is heated with alkyl halide to give N-alkyl thalamide. That N-alkyl thalamide, when treated with aqueous NaOH, NaOH aqueous, first it gives primary amine, then as a byproduct COONA. Thus you can say that primary amines is formed. Dear students, one of the most important limitation of this process is that you always keep in mind that aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method. Why? Aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method. Why? Give reason. Why aromatic primary amines not prepared by this method? Important question. Why aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method? Why aromatic primary amines can be prepared? Dear friends, because you always keep in mind, aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with anion formed by the phthalimide. Again, I repeat this answer. This is because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with the anion formed by the phthalimide. That's why you can say that aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. नहीं बना सकते इस हम लोग, यही रीजन है इसके पीछे. And now I am going to discuss Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. Students, this is the very important method, Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. Why? Because the amine so formed contains one carbon atom less than that present in amide. इसका नाम है डिग्रेडेशन, क्योंकि जो एमीन बनेगा उसमें एक कार्बन कम होगा एमाइड से. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड हॉफमैन ब्रोमाइड डिग्रेडेशन रिएक्शन. Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. In this method, primary amines are prepared by the treatment of amide with bromine in presence of alcoholic solution of NaOH. Amide RCONH2 treated with bromine in presence of alcoholic solution of NaOH. Primary amines are formed which contains one carbon atom less than that present in the amide. That's why it is called degradation reaction. Dear friends, I again repeat it. In this process, primary amine is formed and H2O, primary amine, sodium carbonate, sodium bromide and water. But one thing you always keep in mind, in this method, primary amines so obtained having one carbon atom less than the present in amide. That's why it is called degradation reaction. So these are the important methods used in the preparation of amines. Now I am going to discuss the properties of amines. Properties of amines. At first, I am going to discuss the physical properties. Dear students, you know that lower aliphatic amines are gas having fish-like odor. ध्यान रखना, जो लोअर मेंबर्स होते हैं एलिफेटिक एमीन्स का वो होते हैं गैसेस स्टेट में और हैविंग फिश लाइक ऑर्डर. लोअर मेंबर